Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to set icon name. Okay, icon name in CentOS Stream 8 operating system using hostnamectl command. So let me open the terminal. Login as a root user. So first time executing hostnamectl command. See, by default it's showing some icon name. So computer-vm. So we can change this icon name accordingly, but there are some predefined values for this icon name. Please refer the hostnamectl man pages. What are the icon names you can give? So computer-desktop is a valid icon name. So you can see that after setting the icon name, you can see that icon name is got changed. So this is the command hostnamectl space set hyphen icon hyphen name space computer icon name. So we can't clear the icon name, so but we can modify it. So I am putting back the values, putting back the previous values. Okay, so this is the way we can set or change icon name in CentOS Stream 8 operation using hostnamectl command.